Start cleaning non-toilet surfaces first, and finish with toilets and urinals to minimize cross-contamination risk. Begin by establishing a cleaning sequence that moves from the cleanest areas to the dirtiest, which reduces the chance of transferring pathogens. Use color-coded or clearly labeled cloths and mop heads, and keep one set exclusively for toilets and urinals and another set for sinks, counters, mirrors, and high-touch points. Prepare 2 separate disinfectant solutions if required by surface type and contact time, and always follow the manufacturer contact time for effective pathogen kill. Wear disposable gloves and change them after cleaning toilets or immediately if they become torn or heavily soiled, and wash hands or use an alcohol-based hand rub after glove removal. Rinse or launder reusable tools and cloths at high temperature with detergent after each use, or discard single-use items responsibly. Keep cleaning tools and supply storage separated so toilet-specific equipment never contacts other supplies. 3 common mistakes are using the same cloth for toilets and sinks, which spreads bacteria, ignoring contact time so disinfectants do not actually work, and cleaning hands or tools insufficiently between tasks, which transfers microbes. To avoid cloth cross-use, always prepare and label separate bundles before starting and keep them in distinct bags during the job. To ensure proper disinfecting, set a timer for the product contact time and do not wipe the surface dry until the time has elapsed unless the product instructions state otherwise. For hand and tool hygiene, change gloves after toilet work, disinfect tool handles with an approved product, and wash reusable tools in hot water and detergent or place them in an appropriate disinfecting cycle. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and post project details that connect people with pros for restroom and whole house jobs. We also help contractors find work and discuss methods in our active community forum, where we share practices, tool recommendations, and questions with peers.